Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs related to the crop wheat. And these questions are usually repeated in most of the competitive exams related to agriculture. Wheat scientific name is Triticum aestivum and its chromosome number, that is 2n number, is equal to 42. Moving on with our first question. Wheat is originated from. Wheat, that is Triticum aestivum, is originated from Southwest Asia. Most probably it is Turkey. Wheat contains a spongy protein known as. The answer is gluten. Gluten is responsible for the baking quality of the wheat, and gluten is a colloidal complex and it is made up of equal amounts of gliadin and gluten. But excess amount of gluten is harmful for children's health. The word Cyril is from which language? The word Cyril comes from Roman language, that is Ceres, and it implies the goddess of grains. Seed of wheat is technically known as. The seed of wheat is technically known as Caryopsis, and Caryopsis is nothing but a grain and it is one-seeded and indehiscent. In Caryopsis, the ovary wall fuses with the seed coat, and Caryopsis is the seed of most of the cereals. What is the optimum leaf area index of wheat crop? The optimum leaf area index of wheat crop is 6 to 9, whereas the optimum leaf area index for rice crop is 5 to 6. What is the average protein content in wheat? The average protein content in wheat ranges from 10 to 12%. The highest protein content in wheat is 12%, which is present in durum wheat. Moving on to the next question. What is the test weight of wheat in grams? The test weight of wheat is 40 grams. In India, which type of wheat is mostly cultivated? In India, spring type of wheat is mostly cultivated and it is a short duration type of wheat. The dwarfness in wheat is due to the presence of which gene? The dwarfness in wheat is due to the presence of Norrin10, whereas the dwarfness in rice is due to the presence of DGWO gene. What is the most critical stage of irrigation in wheat? It is the CRI stage, which is crown root initiation stage, and it occurs 21 days after sowing. What is the mimicry weed in wheat crop? The mimicry weed in wheat crop is Phalaris minor and it is a monocot weed, and Phalaris minor is also called as canary grass. Triticum durum is also known as. Triticum durum is also known as macaroni wheat. Triticum durum and emmer wheat are tetraploid species whose 2n number is equal to 28, and einkorn wheat is diploid, whereas Triticum aestivum is a hexaploid wheat. Triticum aestivum occupy dash percentage of wheat cultivation. Triticum aestivum is a hexaploid wheat and it is also known as bread wheat, whose 2n number is equal to 42. Triticum aestivum occupy a large area, that is 87% of the total wheat cultivation. CRI stage occurs at how many days after sowing? CRI stage is the crown root initiation stage and it is very critical for giving the irrigation, and it occurs 21 days after sowing. Indian varieties and its crosses of wheat are having which color of grains? Indian varieties and its crosses are having amber color grains, whereas the Mexican varieties of the wheat are having red colored grains. What is the average depth of sowing in wheat crop? The average depth of sowing in wheat crop is around 5 centimeters, and the depth of sowing in wheat depends upon the coleoptile length. In FIRB system, the seed rate will be. The furrow irrigated raised bed system is followed in wheat cultivation, and the seed rate in this system is around 75 kgs per hectare. Wheat is which type of crop according to the day length? Depending on the day length, wheat is a long day crop. Sowing wheat with plough by funnel attached to its end is technically known as. It is known as Pora method of sowing, whereas dropping of the seed directly into the furrow by hand is known as Kera method of sowing. Moving on to the next question. Most commonly used herbicide in wheat is? The most commonly used herbicide in wheat is 2,4-D, that is 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid. It is a selective herbicide and it is effective against broadleaf weeds. At the time of harvesting, the moisture percentage should be around -% in wheat. It should be around 25 to 30% at the time of harvesting, but at the time of storage, it should be around 10 to 12%. CIMMYT is present at CIMMYT, that is the International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center, is located at Mexico and it was established in the year 1943 by Norman Borlaug. What is the milling percent in wheat? The milling percent in wheat is around 60%. Directorate of Wheat Research is present at. The Directorate of Wheat Research is present at Haryana. Initially, it was called as All India Coordinated Wheat Improvement Program, which was established in the year 1965. Later on, in 1978, it was changed as Directorate of Wheat Research. 90% of germination of wheat occurs at how many days after sowing? 90% of germination takes place 4 to 8 days after sowing in wheat. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.